So, do you want to turn this into this? Well, stay tuned and I'll show you how. It's that time of year again. It's time to start collecting the elderflower for making elderflower cordial. So a nice flavoured drink to chill and have in the garden. So the idea on this one's quite tricky sometimes. Some people get it confused with other plants. But the flowers, they have 5 little petals and they have 5 little stamens, so little sticks poking up that are the identifiers. It's a very creamy sort of white colour, and when you're looking for the leaves are sort of oval shape and you'll have an odd number of leaves, so normally about 7. So they'll be paired, then a single one on the end. Once you've collected your flowers, what you're going to do is take them and empty them all into a bowl. Find the easiest way for me, I just tweeze and poke and pull all the little flowers off until they all fall into my bowl. Just like that. So once you've separated all the flowers, you want to keep your green stalks aside. The green stalks are technically a little bit poisonous, so you want to try and peel off just the white flowers as possible. So I'm going to spend a little bit more time just getting the white flowers off of these and getting rid of the green stalks. Try not to have the bugs in your bowl, so let them all escape. Off you go. Oop. So I guess we needed a recipe. Half it to make less. And it says boiling water, so boil the kettle. Boom, 1.7 litres. The first thing we're going to do is pour the boiling water on top of the sugar and the flowers. Then we can throw in some sour stuff, so that's oranges, lemons or citric acid. Cover the bowl with a cloth and let's wait 24 hours. Strain our liquid through a sieve to get rid of the flowers. And then we get this lovely clear liquid. Pour the liquid into a nice bottle if you're giving it to your granny, or I just use plastic Coke bottles and then I can drink it. I dilute it just the same as orange squash, so if you like it strong, make it strong. If you like it weak, make it weak. And we've turned the flowers of an elderflower into a delicious drink that we can have at any time we want. I like a sunny day. Enjoy. Stay safe. I used the elderflower recipe from the BBC, so just Google Elderflower Cordial BBC.